We're gonna get through this.
Okay.
You should have a bigger mouth. Maybe you should be doing this.
Oh, my name.
Come on.
You gotta aim
I'm
up
really
higher.
bad at this game, by the way.
One more time. Ready?
Get it? Come on.
Is that like this trying to get you right.
You have really bad aim. Okay, it's not you, it's him.
Terrible
He
throw.
said you were trying to hit me right
I
here.
can catch this
and
bitch
he
like
hit
no
me
other.
here.
You throw it.
Okay. He's like, I'm trying to get you right here, and he hit me here.
Hey, no, never mind. What's going on behind you there? I don't have enough room. I wonder if I can do it again. Can I chew first before you throw it?
Just swallow a hole.
I got That's what he's...
Let me shoot this in your mouth.
This is going all over Facebook, I have a feeling.
Oh,
Oh, come on, get your act together.
Yeah, it was a little short. It hit me on the mouth, though.
Hit him.
Hit me in the mouth.
Hit me.
Get it out of my eye.
Ow, my eye.
Oh, hit me on the mouth again. That was like in
It's
my
good
mouth,
shot.
so be careful. a little short, though.
I'll give you
He
the
wasn't
nose.
ready. Come on!
Maybe it's too much. I'm gonna lob it.
I feel like Flipper.
I'm gonna lob it.
You gotta love it.
Get bonus points and bounce it off something.
No!
Oh!
You don't move. Banked it off into her back.
You're like the backboard.
You're like the front
Okay.
board.
That's so awkward.
We need to put a little basket.
Okay,
on
wait.
the
God,
basket.
skulls, be better.
Schools, do that. Hold on, I gotta go.